So here we are, Cabana Bay, room 2222, family suite. Here's the tour. Small kitchen as soon as you walk in, fridge, microwave, coffee maker, seating area. So you got a little couch that pulls into a bed, 2 armchairs, your TV. Then when you walk in further, you have a sliding pocket door here that kind of separates everything if you want a little more privacy. 2 queen beds. Then you have a little closet over yonder. So here's your closet area. Pretty self-explanatory. TV in here. So this is Cabana Bay on Universal property right next to Volcano Bay. Cute small bathroom. We'll spin around here and get the shower area. Got a few sinks, so even if you want to brush in the morning while someone's in the restroom, you got 2 separate things. Other cool thing about this property is they try to use all the vintage products, so Zest and then the VO5 for all your hair needs. So once again, Cabana Bay, we are in family suite 2222. Overlooking the pool.